Imphal East Duty Magistrate remands fugitive leader of Maoist group Sapamcha Kangleipal into 10 days of police custody. MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan decides to skip upcoming Independence Day celebration if authorities fail to release arrested members of JAC on Standard Robert that case and TUC by August 15th. And Manipuri Muslims joined Eid-ul-Zaha celebrations, the festival of sacrifice with religious fervor and gaiety. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjum, bringing you the top stories. Wanted leader of Maoist group Sapamcha Kangleipal, who was repatriated yesterday, was produced before Imphal East Duty Magistrate today. The court remanded him into 10 days of police custody. A combined team of Delhi and Manipur police arrested Kangleipal from Patna in Bihar on August 6th. It may be mentioned that Kangleipal was arrested for speaking against nation's integrity during an event held at Manipur Press Club by Manipur police on May 7, 2008. National Security Act NSA was imposed upon Kangleipal and he was kept at Chenim security ward under tight security. However, he managed to escape from the security ward in the intervening night of December 28 and 29 in 2008. Police has been on the lookout since then. Thangmeiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan has declared to skip the upcoming Independence Day celebrations if authority concerned fail to release the arrested members of JAC against suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur and Thangmeiban United Club TUC latest by August 14th. He asserted that dictatorial governance in the state nullifies independence attempt from the mighty British. Speaking to media at Khuyathong Community Hall today, MLA Joy Kishan demanded Chief Minister Ongthombam Birren to release arrested members before the Independence Day celebration if he has any regard and honor for the day and the Indian Constitution. The MLA condemned the government for ignoring people's plea to hand over the case to the CBI. He appealed to political parties of the state to express honest opinions on the state government's misconducts. On the other hand, MLA Joy Kishan loaded BJP Vice President and BJP Thangmeiban Mandal for staging protest demonstration demanding justice for the deceased girl student.
British Sarkar ki matam dagi Bharat Basi akoi ning tamba phangabasu akoi gi within akoi gi manung sida da dictatorship natraga emergency chalabagi mong da tawning bada tawraga law haibasi makutta paisalaga akoina law di akoina semaga loire habe mong da constitution laitaba Bharat ki nagarik amoi gi hak mangpa masan apamba phungdo pusu lehendaba asumai tokna miut mine chatharaga ai kendra ge praja mayam na awaba taraga jenda lere kanda aina 15 August ti nungai ba phungdo ko habe se masi ayak na yaningde aduna Manipur ki government maruina chief minister na Bharat ki Sangbidan bi kai kumdaraba mahak masamaksu Bharat basi emo ina khanduna Bharat ki ningtambada nungai ba phungdokani hairagadi praja khudimaksu nimitru nungai hanba haibase ma ki mathawni.
On the other hand, Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Jotin Waikhom has alleged Thangmeiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan of misleading residents of Thangmeiban constituency amid government's relentless efforts to solve the mystery behind Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student that case to gain personal mileage. Speaking to media at his residence in Thangmeiban today, Jotin Waikhom termed the girl student's suspicious death as an unfortunate incident for the whole state. He asserted that government has been trying to solve the death mystery by taking into considerations inputs given by the JAC formed against the incident. He maintained that State Special Secretary Home, in its efforts to hand over the case to the CBI, even forwarded relevant documents to the authorities concerned at the center on July 25th. Jotin Waikhom further claimed that IMC Ward Number 1 Corporator and Ward Number 3 members have released statements on the students' death case in the name of Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization, TAGDO, under the instruction of MLA Choi Kishin, which seems to be an effort to create two JAC for the case.
Tagdo ngasi thoi statement si numit khani gi mamang da honorable MLA na JC gi meeting kya da yaw matam da thoi statement ga pura contrast ho poraman kari harami JC gi mi pha gi ba matung da honorable MLA na mi tara nongal ga mi kun athang mi nifu jela changan ga da bani haina mahang na madu support to guni na malaw thome ado ngasi di misam pha ba thado ro haidana mahaki tagdo gi kangbu sing na hairak pase masi yam la thiba thodo mani JCC ani thokna bagi adumba horpham amane en lawi ana JC ani thon ba sumoy ramdi leba ki su yam chawi su jama phajana JC na tackle to buri marak sida hujiki ai gi vested interest da aha ki karmi aha ki worker mi puthoga JC semna honara pase yam lai bak thibuni hene thamjage.
Protests against suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School continued unabated today. Members of Kaishampad Lairen B. Awang Chama Marub stayed sit-in at Kaishampad Kaisham Laikai. Members of Nagamapal Phaugai Sangbam Laikai Apunba Mairapai Bilup also staged protest meet at Nagamapal Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Community Hall. Residents of Thangmaiban Laurongpure Laikai, Thangmaiban Polem Laikai, Thangmaiban Kabrabam Laikai and members of JAC formed against the incident carried out protest demonstrations in 3 different locations of Thangmaiban constituency today. Protesters demanded justice for the deceased girl student and immediate unconditional release of the arrested JAC members. DC Bishnupur Nita Arambam has inaugurated a child-friendly police station under Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 at Women Police Station Complex at Bishnupur District Headquarters. Child-friendly police stations were also opened at other police stations of the district today. Speaking at the event, DC Nita Arambam stressed on the significance of child-friendly police station for the welfare of children. Speaking on the occasion, SP Hobson Sapam drew attention of the government by stating that efficient functioning of the child-friendly police stations required adequate infrastructure. Additional SP Law and Order, Louis Kham, Additional SP Operations KSH Manihar, Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee P. Premchand, Director of Child Line Bishnupur L. Pishak, police officers and district level officers attended the event.
Child-friendly police system hayabsi yam tangai khodi yam targa adubu ayo masida police officer amuna ai bin nasari ahan bhagwan tungma paningma ai busi tangai khodi paningma child-friendly police system ma apana libadari masai apana kaam sarga friendly poster agi poster rajela child police officer training, counseling, de-addicting center, guidelines, training
Child-friendly police station was also opened at Nambol Police Station today. Speaking at the event, Deputy SP Operation of Bishnupur Police, A.K. Shantikumar hoped for better police and public ties. He urged the public to inform the police immediately in times of any unwanted incidents. SDO Nambol C.H. Bobo, founder of Observation Home Maibam Aribam Joykumar and many eminent persons attended the event. Sarita Naurem, sister of renowned fashion designer Robert Naurem, has expressed discontentment with police investigation into her mother Naurem Rekha's death case. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Naurem Sarita condemned accusation on deceased Rekha's husband, Dechumani. She appealed not to accuse without proof. Naurem Sarita further condemned the JAC formed against the incident for threatening the family instead of consoling them. She appealed to the police to stop the JAC from threatening the victim's family. Naurem Sarita also appealed to hand over the murder case to the CBI.
Singnaba mi sing custody da lorga interrogation to honbiyu aduga JAC-na ayat papihanbigano. Investigation ji CBI gumba tungana separate body amada aduga akoi forensic science laboratory su Kolkata da natraga Delhi da thanbiyu. Aduga amana haijaningmana police na charge si thagat abadi bawagi di dijamani gi di trial to amana evidence lai te habadu aina to nazarani akoi na pamjabadi Mihati na halamiba imasibu kamaina halamino kanan halamino habdo asengudo puthokpi jingaida case solution bigano mayamna mating pambiyu.
Idul Azha was celebrated with religious fervor and gaiety across the country today. Manipuri Muslims also joined in the celebrations. Devotees thronged mosque to offer prayers and seek blessings since early this morning. Distribution of aids to destitute and holding of grand feast are the hallmarks of the festival. Speaking on the sidelines, Maulana Shafaruddin stated that Muslims give charity to destitute on this day, following the example of Prophet Ibrahim, who was even willing to sacrifice his beloved son Ishmael to the Almighty. He also expressed happiness that people of other communities have joined the celebrations. Maulana Shafaruddin wished that the festival will bring love and harmony among the communities of the state.
Kathokpa haibasina numit asigi khoi amata ngaraba pandamni aikona haduna hairiba numit asida khoi dharma jati bijati khaidana alai leita khoi punsannaraga chamin thakminadana harau nungaiba phongdoknai masini asigi qurbani gi id asigi maroiba pandam.
Members of Payeng area Lomilub have urged the government to pay compensation to the 2017 flood-affected 18 farmers of Payeng village. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, President of Payeng area Lomilub, Ningthaucham Tomba, recalled that the flood-affected farmers raised their grievances to the Chief Minister on Miyamgi Numit of December 15, 2017. He claimed that District Agriculture Officer even inspected the area under the instruction of the Chief Minister and assured to compensate the farmers, but it has not materialized till date.
Noigi area city am phajana sole 90% 100% mau sokle aidana dumai tawra report ikhallaga thagat leba thagat pasi mas ki tang 15 sida thagat le tc gi branch officer sida koi thagat le dumai tawna lilip sida thagat kan sida moina pini haraga sum tawraga leiba aduda masi leiba sida koi masi yaraga di athu matam da mari leina basing pb oina sum hanna chapa sida noi soidana ba pigani aidana tawra leire adu hunjik yaraga di koi asiyamna kuiba hunjik 2019 yole aduna mari leina basing sina yaraga di pbo.
Mission Director of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Manipur, Nongmaithim Premananda, inaugurated a rural market shade under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH 2018-2019 at Kakching Laipam, Lotno today. Speaking at the event, Mission Director N. Premananda stated that 4 cold storages have been constructed under MIDH in 4 districts of the state and assured for the same in the remaining districts. He also mentioned that various benefits sanctioned by the ministry are being transferred to beneficiary farmers through direct benefit transfer.
Ministry they thadra ko paisa kurimak projai putta yohannana ngasi bawa lali Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi makhada koi DBT hadana direct benefit transfer koi khangal lama farmer singuda koi paisa oina khutna yen manate masa masa gi account koi lawi chumme khangau matamda PFMS natraga DBT khuthangda paisa si masa masa account hapchin jabani kuntakta tariba mino langol amadi kunbigi praja punumaki itimpham ama oinabi damakta madui pandamda rural market sajabani mafam asina singi tamgi nungsinabagi tunupamsu oirasan.
Ima market of Ziribam district came to life with vendors selling their products in the market today. Ziribam Municipal Council JMC Ziribam allotted 204 vendor seats on lottery system at the inaugural event. Speaking on the occasion, Vice Chairman of Food and Industry Cooperative Limited, K. Sarat Kumar, stated that functioning of the market was delayed due to incomplete construction of toilet complex and other infrastructure. One vendor of the market, S. Santirani, expressed happiness that she no longer has to sell vegetables in the open facing inclement weather. Driver Naure Manglem Chao, who was once bedridden, is getting better and walking around now. His medical treatment was sponsored by Transporters and Drivers Council (TDC). Driver Naure Manglem Chao from Patsoi Part 1 in Patsoi constituency was engaged in ferrying rice for Food Corporation of India from Ziribam to Imphal. He met with a fatal accident at Babupara in Ziribam on October 19, 2018, critically injuring his backbone and leaving him bedridden. Falling prey to destitution, his condition deteriorated from time to time. Following an exclusive report by Impact News, TDC board medical expenses for driver Manglem Chao at GNRC Guwahati since April 29 this year. Manglem Chao, who also went through physiotherapy at Dolu in Silchar for around 4 months. He returned home after treatment yesterday. TDC team led by TDC President Hizam Ranjit visited him and further extended financial assistance today. Naure Manglem Chao expressed gratitude to TDC for all the assistance. Speaking to media, TDC President Hizam Ranjit stated that TDC is the lone organization of registered driver and transporter unions of the state. He maintained that TDC has been extending assistance to underprivileged drivers and transporters of the state. Ranjit expressed happiness over the improved health condition of Manglem Chao and assured of further assistance until his full recovery. The TDC president also assured of helping other destitute in the state.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯗꯨꯂꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯪꯁꯝꯗ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯗꯨꯂꯨꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯍꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯛ ꯄꯩꯔꯦꯅ ꯑꯍꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯕ
ꯇꯥꯡ 13ꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯄꯨꯔ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯔꯤꯆꯦꯛꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤ TDC ꯁꯥꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ TDC ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯨꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 2003ꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯏꯟꯈꯥꯡ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯄꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯇ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯒꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯤꯗ ꯖꯍꯥꯒꯤꯗ ꯇꯍꯥꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯨꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯖꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Fire gutted down a spare room above Chongtham Enterprise in Pauna International Market under Imphal West City Police Station and around 2:30 this afternoon. The shop and its spare room belong to 58-year-old Chongtham Inabi from Singtumai, Chongtham, Laikai, son of CH Nabadip. Impact News sources said that a newly constructed spare room was used for storing plastic pipes, tents, water pumps, generators, etc. Door of the room was installed just today. The fire started out of nowhere after laborers who came to install the door left the room. People in the vicinity informed Manipur Fire Service, following which 2 fire tenders rushed to the spot immediately and wiped out the fire completely. There is no report of any casualty. City Police has booked a case regarding the incident for further investigation. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 83rd Foundation Day observance of All India Students Federation AISF. We'll be right back. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. All India Students Federation AISF held its 83rd Foundation Day observance at Irabat Bhawan, Imphal today. Assistant Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council K. Surchan and Professor of Manipur University S. Dorendrajit stress on draft New Education Policy 2019 on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Secretariat member of CPI Manipur State Council, Laishram Sotin Kumar, criticized the government for neglecting education sector in the state, leading to commercialization and privatization of educational institutions. He alleged that government keeps ignoring misconducts by some well-off owners of private educational institutions. Sotin Kumar declared that time is right for AISF to initiate stern actions to curb exorbitant fees charged by private institutions. Meanwhile, All India Students Federation Manipur State Council has strongly condemned the inefficiency of the government in solving the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School.
सरकारी स्कूल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी तोलोबी यूनिवर्सिटी की सरकारी ओजा रुपा लाख की मदद से हाई स्कूल ओजा रुपा लिसिंग यांखई मदद तोलोब फंगी जूनियर हाई स्कूल की ओजा रुपा लिसिंग यांखई यौदौरे एलपी ओजा रुपा लिसिंग कुन की मदद फंगी अदुबो मसीदी ओजा अमत लेते ओजा के अधिकार तौरगले मरनाई कारबार तौरगले मंत्री की एमएलए की वचन वानों तौरगले अदु स्कूल पुनः मामले डिस्ट्रॉय कादे अदु नाकल पुनः प्राइवेट स्कूल सुगुम्बा प्राइवेट स्कूल से यानी थी ना थोड़ा हापने मिंग चलबदा रुपाली सिंह फूलोबा कुत्रा लोबा सुबह साजब क्या सिंह से ये से चप चप फाइट तो बताए छात्र ललो लगा बिजनेस तो बा मसी थोड़ी बसे लसी सरकार से प्राइवेट स्कूल पुनः मगदा मखन कया की सेंदा लबी लंगावर दना सेंजाओ पायो मियोय कया और पदगी मियाम दो मखन कया की ताही दबा हुई दबा अदुबो वा पाओ कया तारी अंगांग ललो स्कूल से मसीद गसीदी अंगांग सिबो युवाथो अंगांग हाथो युवाथो ममांग दुवाथो कया लेजिबो युवाफम अतै स्कूल कया बदा अदुबो ताही दबा कया तारी कया सिलसे एआई एसेट न चेक तो बताए.
Manipur joined the rest of the world in observing International Youth Day 2019 today. Manipur People's Party MPP held the observance at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal. Speaking at the event, President of MPP Youth Front, Sarachandra Khongbantabam, urged youths to take pivotal roles in minimizing issues facing the state. He also called upon people of the state, especially the youth, to uphold and maintain the integrity of the state. Sarachandra assured that MPP Youth Front will continue to strive for the welfare of the state. Titulia King, Laisembasana Chaupa, MPP President Oinam Tugindro, and many eminent persons attended the event.
Horiba nahasing asina maribak nungsiba mati maribak ke nai kanana hona matamda youth sing super role amal lai habadani ikoi manipur ki contest ni na matungda amale ba nungsiba mati manipur kanana hona matamda manipur ni horiba nahasing si ikoi masigi thamjari ba team education ikoi transforming education ai bani mati chaba lai haira mayam sing se apoba tunai ma ko samadam sem hona matamda amale ba ki damak niyam ki damak sem hona matamda manipur youth sing se mat youth sing natana manipur kanang namro haba nai ko wakhlojin.
5-day workshop on transforming content into process for social change, organized by IRE College of Teacher Education, Wangjing since August 8 concluded today. Speaking at the event, member of the National Council for Teachers Education, Bhuvaneshwar, Professor Dr. N. Raj Mohan, asserted that teacher education is crucial for producing efficient youths. He encouraged teacher trainees to grasp their subjects. Principal of IRE, Rajiv Kumar Narengbam, Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor D.H. Ratan Kumar, former Supreme Court Commissioner Dr. Mahavir Jain, Assistant News Editor of DD News Imphal, C.H. Birendra, and many teachers, trainees attended the event. Certificates were also distributed to the trainees in the event. Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturer Welfare Association Manipur MGHSLWA has expressed condolences upon the sudden and untimely demise of former computer science lecturer of Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School, Imphal, Langpok Lakpam Hector Kumar, who passed away at 41 at his residence in Pisumthong, Awang Laikai. Publicity and Information Secretary of the association, M. Romeo, in a press release, termed the demise as a big loss for teachers' community and also shared the grief of the bereaved family. Speaker Yumnam Khemchand flagged off Tharon Caved expedition Tamenglong today. Altogether, 60 individuals, including 3 women, are part of the expedition organized by Poirei Ithiba Lopil, speaking on the sidelines of the flagging off event in the front of Singtumayum Namle Kailairin Peel. Members stated that the team will explore historical sites like Tharon Cave, Buning and Barak Waterfall in the Tamenglong district. Retired Director of Art and Culture, R.K. Nimai, called for preserving and conserving the unique art and culture of the state. He was speaking at the Festival of Julon Yatran organized by Jain Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, at the pavilion of the Academy today. R.K. Nimai expressed apprehension that the state's unique art and culture is on the verge of extinction. Singing of Julon by Nupa Nupi Pala highlighted the event.
Manipur hojik laiba si hana leram si masek on bagi tholakwa kharasum haptan aduna basic principle oi bhakti rasada laiba si subai rakwa this sumdi hai si apoi mayam laudum free hana sana riba mayam si apoi swaina sana bagi hai si apoi anobo hobali ba harom sing sini sabai khamin ba ma dakar le hapsan da phajaba haptragadi anobo innovation doctor jabat basi leite adubu kaidi yadraba kahidaba haibetare maduda experiment tawudadi langani hene yana khanjai maduda thogade koi apmitei jati ni haibeta ibesile koi kala culture sna ta kone koi na koi culture ji hele ka dai mitei ni haibeta ai hak sile koi na koi kala ji hele koi ni mitei jati sile ni koi kala hema ki koi mitei jati sile roi.
Laishram Mani Gaura Sangeet Academy, Thaupal Wangkhem, in collaboration with the Directorate of Arts and Culture, Government of Manipur, held annual Julon program at the pavilion of Kakching Tabam Surjamani in Thaupal Wangkhem today. Thangjam Dasarat, who was recently conferred upon the Kala Bhushan Award by Manipur Sahitya Parishad Imphal, was also felicitated on the occasion. Singers of Laishram Mani Gaura Sangeet Academy performed Julon Pala at the event. Various tree saplings were planted inside the Kangla Fort and the Green Mission Manipur today. Brand ambassador of Green Mission Manipur, Ilangbam Valentina, who also took part in the tree plantation drive organized by Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, RSS.
Manipur ki laifam sengba kangla sida aibu uthabagi invite pibirakwa mayambo aina yamna ikai khumna bauchari aduga ai kangla sida uthaba lakwade ai ngonda yam nungai bam poksai aduga uthabase hawhandradi khoi thaibai kemta kanadi.
Contractors and subcontractors of Manipur Trade Expo Center, Lamboy Kong Nangkong, also carried out mass tree plantation drive at the center today. Taking part in the event, subcontractor and Binod Kumar stated that the tree saplings were planted under the initiative of Commerce Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit to attain a clean environment and also to attract tourists. He also espoused for plantation of various medicinal plants.
Huji malinguina laiba kogi hongba koi Manipur su climate change ki hong pasine ga koi kitang kanjanaba koi honorable minister si Thongam Biswajit mana instruction pirakpadagi contractor sing pullaga mafam sida koi uchar sing tharasi haying tungda soidaba jaga sing yenga.
All Manipur Nupi Marup Kurai Area Committee in a press release informed that the committee has discussed on various issues including misappropriation of PDS items under National Food Security Act during its annual conference held at Kurai Kala Vidya Bhavan. Rotary Club of Imphal has formed an association called Manipur Motor Sports Association to provide a platform for motor sports enthusiasts of the state. The association's opening meet was held at the auditorium of Rotary Club of Imphal in Mantri Pukri today. Speaking on the occasion, Vocational Director of Rotary Club of Imphal, M. Hare Krishna, who is also the Commissioner of the State Transport Department, stated that the association aims to promote motor car and motorcycle racing events in Manipur. He maintained that the association also intends to construct race tracks, pavilions and motor houses in the state. Many sports enthusiasts attended the function.
To promote in the state of Manipur the sports of motor car and motorcycle racing in its various variant forms and its practice performed worldwide. To acquire, build or develop racetracks, pavilions, build motor house, workshops and other conveniences incidental to the advancement of motorsports. To establish and maintain a center with all requisite information and necessary hardware to impart instructions to the level of motor sports and adventure.
Chairman of proscribed Kanglaipa Communist Party, Ketrimeyum Laba, in a press release extended warm greetings on the occasion of the 15th Foundation Day of Miyamgi Piganglanmi FLL, which falls on August 13, also the Patriots' Day. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has revered the brave martyrs who made supreme sacrifices defending the sovereignty of Manipur during the Anglo-Manipuri War 1981 on the eve of Patriots' Day. In her message, Dr. Najma Heptullah urged the present generation not to forget the sacrifices of great warriors like Birtikendrajit, Thangal General, Chirai Naga, Pukrambam Kajau, Niranjan Subedar and others. The governor appealed to stand against threats to integrity of the state. Kanglaipa Communist Party KCP in a press release informed that 7 proscribed groups KCP, KYKL, NLFT, PDCK, and DFP, KLO and HNLC have boycotted the upcoming 73rd Independence Day celebrations in West and Southeast Asia WESEA area. KCP Military Joint Council has also called for 12 hours total shutdown on August 15th. The proscribed outfits urged people of the state to extend solidarity to the boycott. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Imphal East Duty Magistrate remands fugitive leader of Maoist group Sapamcha Kanglaipal into 10 days of police custody. MLA Kumuktam Joy Kishan decides to skip upcoming Independence Day celebration if authorities fail to release arrested members of JEC on Standard Robert death case and TUC by August 14th. And Manipuri Muslim joined Eid ul-Zuha celebration, the festival of sacrifice with religious fervor and gaiety.